How to unlink WhatsApp from GoShare. If you've connected your WhatsApp to GoShare and want to remove it, whether for privacy reasons or to stop receiving messages, here's how to unlink it step by step. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your primary phone. Launch WhatsApp on the device where your account is active. Step 2 would be accessing linked devices. On Android, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Linked devices. On iPhone, go to Settings and tap Linked devices. Step 3, you'll see a list of devices currently linked to your WhatsApp account. If you notice any unfamiliar devices or sessions associated with GoShare, tap on the device in question, select Log Out to disconnect it. Step 4, if necessary, contact GoShare support if you suspect that GoShare has integrated your WhatsApp number into their system and you want to ensure complete disconnection. Visit the GoShare Contact Us page. Use the provided contact form to request the removal of your WhatsApp number from their records.